Hi everyone, welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. This week we're going to be talking about how to prioritize your assignments. Like I said, we're going to learn the meaning of prioritizing and what it looks like. We're going to know how to prioritize your work, be able to identify your assignments from very important to important, and then also the ones that you need to keep in mind and remember so that way you don't forget. So, what does prioritizing mean? Prioritizing pretty much means being able to designate as more important than other things. So, having a list or being able to rank the order of tackling your assignments by the importance. So, the importance would basically be by deadline. So, first, you would want to do a to-do list. So either you write down in a notebook or on your Google Doc, you can always write down the stuff that you have to do. So write down all the assignments from every class that you have. And then also write down the due date for each assignment, because this will help us know how to identify which one is super important and needs to be done and which one is important, and then the ones that we can wait for later. So here's an example of how we can prioritize the work and make a to-do list. So the first thing I did was made a to-do list for the homeworks that I may have if I was a student. So for example, you have your English assignment that's due February 19th. You have a math homework that's due February 11th, a science homework that's due February 12th, a history homework that's due February 16th, and then an Avid project that's due February 26th. So this is how you're going to go about prioritizing your assignments. So you already have your to-do list. You planned out which assignments you have to do. So the first thing to do is which one's very important that needs to be done this week. So you can see the ones that are due this week are math and science because they're due either the 11th or the 12th. So those are very important assignments that you need to do and get them done as soon as possible. The ones that are important are due next week. So next week you have a history assignment that's due on the 16th. So there's still time to get that assignment done. And then one to keep in mind that you can start working on it in advance if you finish all of these is doing the Avid project that's due February 26th. All right, so I also created a template for you all to use to help you prioritize and also create your to-do list. So you can go ahead and use this one template here. You can open it on Kami and be able to use the text box features to write down all the assignments you need to do. So in this one, it's you plan it out, ask yourself what assignments you need to do, and write down the due date. Just like how we did in this PowerPoint here, we have like our very important and important. You can go ahead and do that here and just list them down here if this is more helpful for you. And on here you can see it says write it down and it says important, so it's due next week. Or the ones that are very important that are due this week that you need to cross off and you need to get them done. There's also this other template because everyone works very different and is able to use different templates that you like in order for you to get your homework done. So this one has like your very important due this week and your important due next week. And then some reminders that what else you have to do in order to get them, what other things you need to do that's not so urgent that needs to be done within the next few weeks. And it's always important to tell yourself those positive self-affirmations like, I can do this, I got this, one assignment at a time, and being able to practice a deep breath. That way you can tackle down your assignments and not get so stressed out about all the work you have to do. So just little reminders, and I really hope you guys use these templates. Again, you can open them on Kami, you can create your own to-do list and prioritize your work, or you can even just get a notebook, paper, and do it yourself here. Right, so I hope you guys are able to get this done. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me or email me, and I'm more than happy to help you organize your assignments based on priority. Bye.